Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your iPhone to your laptop. The easiest method is often a direct USB connection. Simply use your Lightning to USB cable to physically link your iPhone to your computer. Once connected, unlock your iPhone and tap "Trust this computer" when the prompt appears. On a Mac, Finder will automatically recognize your device, while Windows users will open iTunes to manage their phone. This provides a reliable and fast connection for data transfer and backups. For a wireless approach, you can set up Wi-Fi syncing. First, connect your iPhone via USB and open Finder or iTunes. In the device settings, enable the option to show this iPhone when on Wi-Fi. After this one-time setup, ensure both your iPhone and laptop are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Your device will then appear wirelessly in Finder or iTunes, allowing you to sync content and perform backups without a physical cable, offering great convenience. When you need to quickly send photos, videos, or documents from your iPhone to a Mac, AirDrop is incredibly efficient. Ensure both your iPhone and Mac have AirDrop enabled, typically set to contacts only or everyone for visibility. On your iPhone, select the files you wish to share, tap the share icon, and choose your Mac from the AirDrop options. The transfer is usually completed in just a few seconds, making it ideal for immediate sharing. Cloud storage offers a fantastic way to access your files from anywhere, on any device. Services like iCloud Drive or Google Drive allow you to upload photos, documents, and more directly from your iPhone. Once uploaded, these files are accessible on your laptop simply by logging into your cloud account through a web browser or a dedicated application. This method ensures your important data is always available and synchronized across all your devices, providing excellent flexibility.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.